Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Subaru Outback. We're going to be doing a simple job, replacing a cabin air filter. If you need any parts or instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Okay friends, now it's time to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter. What we're going to do is we're just going to open up the glove box. Hopefully not too much comes out. Looks like we're good. I already took it out, so there's a joke. Anyway, right here is the piston. Okay, I'm just going to try to give it a little twist down on the bottom side, see if I can pull it over the ears. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to take the back side and the sides right here, and I'm going to try to squeeze in. There's just two little ears that are going to want to hold on. See if I can pull it. There we go. Now this fell down nice and low. We can see in here. Here's where our cabin air filter is going to be. Okay, so I'm just going to grab these. I'm going to give them a squeeze together. There's our cover. Set it in there where I can find it. I'm going to grab this cabin air filter. We'll take a look at it. Grab our new one. About the same size. I don't know, this one could probably go, no, it's going to go in the recycling bin actually. I'm going to grab this and slide it in. You can read that it says airflow goes this way. Okay, I'll get a little sign. So the air is going to get sucked down from outside, in through this, and then into where your blower motor is. This is going to seal in nice and firm. We've got our little cover here. This side up, says right on it. Can't mess that up. A little push. Very nice. Perfect. So now all we're going to do, we're just going to give it a little push. You can even try to push in on these a little bit. Give them a hand. Okay, we're going to grab our piston. We're just going to roll it on, just like that. Make sure it functions like it should.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.